Sarah, a determined woman with a passion for technology, took a bold step into the entrepreneurial world by launching her own tech startup. Despite her enthusiasm and innovative ideas, she quickly realized that her limited financial knowledge was a significant hurdle. The complexities of managing cash flow, understanding investment opportunities, and planning for sustainable growth seemed daunting. Yet she was resolute in her mission to succeed. In her quest for knowledge, Sarah stumbled upon a specialized program designed to offer tailored financial advice specifically for women-owned businesses. The program promised to bridge the gender gap in financial literacy by providing insights and strategies that address the unique challenges faced by female entrepreneurs. Intrigued by the potential benefits, Sarah eagerly enrolled, hoping to gain the tools she needed to navigate the financial landscape of her industry. Through the program, Sarah immersed herself in learning about various funding options and growth strategies that were specifically aligned with her tech startup. She discovered innovative ways to attract investors, manage her finances more efficiently, and plan for long-term success. Empowered by this newfound knowledge, Sarah confidently approached potential investors, ultimately securing a substantial investment that allowed her to expand her business operations significantly. With the expansion came new challenges, as scaling her company proved to be more complex than anticipated. However, Sarah was not deterred. She applied the program's guidance to tackle these obstacles head-on. By leveraging the strategic advice she had learned, she streamlined operations, optimized resource allocation, and maintained a steady growth trajectory, ensuring her company's continued success. Sarah's journey from a financially inexperienced entrepreneur to a successful businesswoman became a beacon of inspiration for other women in the entrepreneurial community. Her story highlighted the importance of financial empowerment and the impact of gender-specific guidance in achieving business success. As more women followed in her footsteps, a growing network of financially savvy female entrepreneurs emerged, collectively contributing to a more inclusive and dynamic business landscape.